How can I go to a party that has become reprobate? How can I enter a house that is filled with familiar spirits? How can I join a group? The NPP is a party full of familiar spirits. And listen, to the millions of Ghanaians who have been displaced, to the millions of Ghanaians who cannot stay in that house because of the familiar spirits there, I have good news for you. The good news is that a new party filled with the right spirits, a new party fueled by the agenda of liberal democrats, a new party whose focus is to build that right Ghana, that Ghana that all of our ambitions can find a place in, that party that can give that viable opposition, that party that can hold the feet, that have the credibility to hold the feet of the NDC.
I was saying free bra NPP for a cat a babon say ya one more trust or my grant amnesty. Eddie ama one more almost suspend your more free party no trust Saturday. Woman be a few old woman Sandra now woman in a cambum so was no ma now woman some NPP among your send a bay na in kunim dear everybody one more afra. A nipper back we are Ghana for a bob in qua air share. Ethnet no monsa e won so HS so obesanyaba and now one sign e mabim eye Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng Ghana for HS we are NPP for assign declare say ababonte a wo mo kyerese wo mo a yeyi wo mo di ana wo mo akwa bi so no wo mo fai ma wo mo atwe wo mo di free party nim no sa bredi yeyi bibia firi mu nyina assign mre na wo mo emmekampo mu bim na wo mo som party no eno na musia se Alan beba se wo mba so babe kasa so mambe kasa Paula Foko e de kan ababe kasa Paula Foko e former general chairman e de ma NPP amonyoko no babe wo mo so omnam suspension kwan so eyi no e de free party nim eno e no be kasa na wo kyerese ne NPP for aye ne de ne kwan so ano no se wo mo assign afrese ye suspension bia efi to sabredi wo bia mra ne nyina yanka mum nemum Paula Foko e kyerese efi akire wo ho eni abofo no it is NPP for e kyerese wo mayi sa suspension no e de efi ho efi obi asa mba biemu dia ene clause bi no de bata ho no ebe ya nko munye no emfi ho na afi obi ba no wotirimupo no pepa bi so be preposition bi wo party no de asoma ne nyina yeso nkro na bia omotimi ama saafo ni nyina kwan ama wo mu atimi abeso Paula Foko e de sa nsemi etu dwawie e na Andrew Apia Dankwa ya owo movement for change eye owura Kojo Kyeremanteng a what's no who free NPP amonyoko nim ekokwote na ono so na amonyoko friend say movement for change no the corporate to me 2024 nim ababonte be kasa no watch say NPP party na kasa no ukọ party nim a abaifo ne adamo ne ho familiar spirit e na edi ahim e wo party nim it is say no Apia Dankwa pa be free movement for change na wakwa kopie mu e wo NPP party nim de no kwasem ne say ebi ensida ebusuan say e no waka ensam no efaye e wo TV3 new day so
parties, people aggregate around the party when they recognize certain values that they resonate with. Then they go there. Now, when Nana Addo came, he managed to alter that
the DNA
character. For that's the right word.
The DNA.
He changed the soul of the NPP.
Now they said they are changing. Come back. You are here citing DNA, borrowing for energy.
Listen, nothing they've done. But everything they are doing suggests to me that they are drifting further up. In fact, I'm saying that they don't have a soul.
Former NPP, they say come back.
Roland Walker, how can I go to a party that has become reprobate? How can I enter a house that is filled with familiar spirits? How can I join a group?
You will not go back, lawyer Pierre.
So if you are my brother,
but do you understand familiar spirits?
Would you advise me?
Principalities.
Would you advise me if you are my brother?
Prophecies and anti-prophecies.
Would you advise me to go into a possessed house? A house full of familiar spirits. Would you advise me? The Roland, you don't like me. Listen, this is it bottom up or up bottom?
Yeah,
bottom up. As in which right thinking person? Which right thinking party? Whose value is the country would subscribe to this approach? Just a simple thank you talk. Remember that thank you talk. Were people not stabbed? Were people not stabbed? That's what I'm saying. That Roland, my worst enemy won't advise me to enter a house that's full of familiar spirits. The NPP is a party full of familiar spirits. And listen, to the millions of Ghanaians who have been displaced, to the millions of Ghanaians who cannot stay in that house because of the familiar spirits there, I have good news for you. The good news is that a new party filled with the right spirits, a new party fueled by the agenda of liberal Democrats, a new party whose focus is to build that right Ghana, that Ghana that all of our ambitions can find a place in. That party that can give that viable opposition, that party that can hold the feet, that have the credibility to hold the feet of the NDC to the fire. That party that will build Ghana, that party that will hold true the ideals of Ghana.
And so we see appear down quite this and send me a 2 year Ghana for the ANSN. Send no air cassadi and ya dear Alan Kyeremanteng. A best sign other than any set walk NPP among your corona so a penny force a fay and a samuno abba. So what beba so womba or no akasa a bit to me as a dinaye, Eddie man who in see what I my year chain. Say and she share NPP 4 Eddie Abbey, say and a besia conebusia. Appear down kwaka and semi area and a political activist bako. As about what says no watches and the NPP 4 air yellow. Come say a sapana womu chad and also penny for say. Near watchers and wonims and the chiachia. It is sapana NPP 4 air chan womachi achia or quabiswa. And what's what motion no yen send on also didn't some no at 2 our Peace FM 12 o'clock news.
Yeah, but I mean, here will be a mentia for my normal money with you food. Let me say. Sankofa says the Urefi na o Sankofa enya bone na ewi asen so no say we am from so na we tum say ye we ye no ankogie na we je brese we be siesia say eno so ne kwan so ano the first say ye MPP aye no the Kwanswan. The Ubejatum said, when they crop for and our staff for in ya accept yeah, a mere hour to mono, the Ubenia said, Ubesi, a Samnona, when they or more Akamu. The Osha Kata party in the debate to January. Omo HSA ombe person make party no abum na party no mu HSA no ewie pay any muti amaye se no ye di pa ye di dom na eye HSA asore enti the who members next a group be next a staff one no omo efi party ni enu na se for ya na and what cafe. And you know, the party name will say, anybody a free, Gabriel, a woman answer or Mubeka or Muhabum, now party Najina Brania. Let me say, can't say no, again. Now, and she said, from a side of Renohono. Maybe a Karame show said, and she said, "You're not anything to just ask." The man said, "When you will be a free party, now all tone suffer then Pacrono and Sambra. I didn't know if they were that thing Pacrosse, Omra, now Ometro and Honkrat say, or Peso Sabentimo, when you mean to so. What the attack now the acceptable puppet so. Before said, India, NPP. And the number be brought to that and say the movie a kasa umuti na omo 18 hours so enti before say that and say no the party ni be say to me at nothing na omo so omo nye application no the omo betimi ata hwe bi wa kabeboa you na ye omo cafe ebia I just in Kofubu, I just in film you. I saw a woman sign so to me, Aquacutina, party at the Calforno. And then the first said, no Quansuano. No Quansuano, let's say. Why we are bonity. ɛna saa bɔne no amoa party no na wanya nuhu na sɛ wo san ba bi mu a ɛde sɛ wotutu onoma yie na party no so ɛgye utum sɛ ampa nuhu aba the free saa bere yi ɛkɔ yi ebetumi no ayɛ adwuma na yɛahwɛ abom ti ɛhɔ no yɛ before sɛ edika ɛno nti no yɛnhyɛ da nuhu asɛm papa bi akama yɛmeka wɔ so no yɛ sɛ apart from say omode sakata no atuga no ye me nim na bia mate but me nya egyina so papa ne ye say anyeria no say di pay ya ti omoto omo nsafre omo ni omo di kan no omo kasa ama nkrofo no ade atum say ye beba so say wonu omo nkasa e na wo de kasa ba be tuga dia and then now come before the change. But the one more akasa and no my dear to me say, Annie, ye can't see a cop, but a crack, Maka, Mini, swung, it's Pesayaba. And then before say, one no. And simply a master teacher say, but the next time it's akasa, Ama, or more for them. So Obubeba. Yes. But apart from that, your uncle for being swa, Omono, party no money card. And almost said that party no bonisa. Name Abasabobi, Abomu. Ama Sankofono actual. And yeah, almost no Sakata will know. Enter the 2 man, I say, party no, could be. First uncle for no. There were uncle because of your friend of constituency. And your constituency in the group. The Russia Ghana elections are the can't first 10 largest constituency Ghana ha. The week called the Yaka home. Yaka no ever said they will be in person would give the free. But that constituency can you be a NPP will move in Sia and NDC will move at 9. The Russia 2024. Let me say, Encophobia almost to about NPP. Name Mumu said I'm your party members, only card bearing members, or Mabamu. The first say, NPP party, no, as I'm Genesis Uncle for a Genesis constituencies, we Banka, a Beboa. Party no say any and Kabumwa or Mopese or Moko. The Demanusi, you know, I did about qua, let us look at what them a fact that Kratom the 2 days. And so, party no, I and she say, more thing are expressed. And no maybe a sea and a mancophobic apple and the sword. A before bow woman. Now, so say, in Katia and Apostle. And no maybe I'm quite that's the same on my day. That's no. And conquer or how near my baby and my dear. Wrong. Said your bayer, your capacity in Kabumu. Any party no, Emudia. The best party in the me a crumbly that. Let any be a watcher. And for fucking kind. And for 4 come na emumu no for campaign you can be sustainability they will crave be ehye bi mu aman no aye atra ho afebo no da ehye no o maye a etrete that bia no party no ehye no emma enipa bi free party yenya ye kire aman yendem enom ne masefo no your theory be your friend, Vicky Bucket theory.
And say, a dog, a woman was across our theatre. Doc, that's so the influence.
And I was saying, some of you in the upper put your one message so Akasa, or did what venture in the comment section or Ediamana free. when me subscribe to me so too much GH ya kai so the bell ne beka ho se ne be na upload it so one first person ya won sa e be di kan aka all the social media platforms okwa too much GH o subscribe no like it na wa share na wonua bi so enye bi ahwe dark gold and am jeso ye be say share